Alright, what's up, guys? Sorry for a later upload. I've been kind of busy the past couple weeks, but here we go. We got a video. This game, we're trying to kind of secure the tower just as a central control point for the entire field. So I hope you enjoy this video. People do be cheating a lot, so if you see someone cheating, just tell them to stop because cheating's not cool. Don't do drugs, kids, But hope you all have a good day. If you want, please subscribe. It's totally free. It helps me out so much. And we're pretty close to 500, so if we could just keep it going, that'd be awesome. Alright, enjoy.
Oh, he's dead.
Are you guys ready? Yeah!
I'm here close.
Dude, those are our guys right underneath there. No. Yeah, or they'd be shooting. Hit.
Hey, where?
Okay.
There's a kid at that bunker aiming straight at us.
Where?
Right
The
there.
close one?
Straight, yeah. If you look straight, there's a kid aiming his gun at us. He's poking his head.
I see him. He's down now.
Is that a tracer? No.
No. It's just a suppressor, so I have a longer inner barrel. Dude, there's such an extreme lack of cover.
Go up and throw it with the dummy. We gotta get the dummy still and the flag. There's cover left as we walk.
Yeah, watch that head though. Shit! Right there behind hill. And pat break from window.
Here, I just trust that my teammates have got the front area while I watch our rear, just doing my part to keep us safe.
Really? See, I find that shocking.
I'm gonna pull it.
Oh, I got him.
Black tarps, right? Black tarps. I think we already got the black tarps, maybe. Yeah, I see red in there, I see red. You guys the black tarps?
Here, can you guys suppress bunker?
There's a good trench right here.
Whopper, let's go.
Alright.
Try to get some of my squad to move up into a little bit better cover. I get myself in better position, but unfortunately a couple of our dudes do get hit, but we do get a good position
What's
here.
happening over there? Fuck. Their other side right here.
Now, unfortunately, my GoPro is having some charging issues that day and didn't capture that part. I did get hit after getting a kill, but it was pretty nice. But unfortunately, my GoPro didn't catch it.
Probably shouldn't be facing that way.
Watch out.
There's people right at the triangle bunker.
Yep.
You can fucking clearly see us. This is not a good spot. The tank.
Got one.
white satellite. You got you son of a bitch.
Watch out, close, close, close. That side.
Got it. I got people on this side as well.
There's close. He's right at this bunker. Got one. Got him. Oh, jeez, that is close as hell.
Alright, here I do something really cool. I take advantage of my gun's hop up and bend my gun so I'm able to curve BBs around the tree to actually hit this guy.
Well, look at my finger. You told me to do the same
The
thing.
fact that
Do you want a band-aid?
No, I'm good.
The fact that this tactic doesn't work.
First aid kit in the car.
Bro, I want to.
I have a first aid kit on my hip.
Here I actually get to take advantage of a first aid kit that I always carry around me in the field. It's pretty fun to be able to use it for different little things, but it's fun to just feel like something special, I don't even know, and just be able to whip out a band-aid or whatever people need.
Close. I'm like,
Yeah, throw full
I'm
auto.
like
20 feet.
20 feet, yeah.
How many feet?
20.
Oh,
So you didn't have the right to full auto then?
yeah, I had to write the fucking full auto. From inside the town, he was across the cross.
Do that again, bro. Make the human shield.
He goes, oh, I was using semi.
Bro, the cry badge.
That hurts. That looks like that hurt.
That did it.
That
I
ain't
didn't realize it was like that.
400, I'll tell you that much.
I'm busting.
Oh yeah, look, this nigga shooting hot as fuck.
Yeah.
We did get shot close, though.
I mean,
But
yeah.
still, 400 don't do that.
Crack skin like that? Yeah. I'm on the bus because I'm short and autistic.
True.
Dude, it's the fact that we got guys with like LMGs and shit. They're just like sitting in this burrow. They're not like shooting at far range.
That's why I'm not pushing.
Like, bro, you got an LMG. You need to get a little
So
closer.
they shoot all their ammo in the first minute and then they're just sitting there.
No, when they run, they go like this. When they run.
Hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, please subscribe or leave a like. Have a good day.